I back on? Oh, maybe it's just I'm getting a really bad connection, but maybe I'm back on. We'll see. We'll see if this stays on. Okay. Let's go back in Discord. Devs. Yeah, it's not looking good. I have a really bad connection. And I think it's going to stay like that. Woohoo! Man, yeah, that was crazy. I think something happened to my computer earlier and it just broke my stream. Okay, so what are we working on next, guys? I know what I'm going to work on if there's nothing else left to work on. And that would be uh the animation stuff. Oof, my connection's really bad. I'm looking at it. It's yeah, it's gonna die. This connection's not gonna last for very long, and if it does last, it's just gonna be very choppy. I hear it. Oh, wrong maximize. Wait, I lost the game. There it is. Where did the game go? There it is. Hey, so can you clarify what you meant by the editor and not runtime? Oh, absolutely. I'll tell you that right now. So we have the buttons on the screen, right? So I'm gonna just kind of zoom out here on the whatever this thing is, the big old menu, right? The way too big menu. I don't know why Unity does it like this, but anyway. So if I click on the yes button here, so on the click event, uh, it was set right here. It was set to runtime only. And so that means it'll only run on the builds, not necessarily in the editor. But sometimes it works on the editor when you have this selected. So I really don't know. But if you wanted to run correctly here, and in runtime, you check this option. So just for each of those. So yeah, I made that change basically. Just change it so it says editor and runtime. Okay. Chris, yes. I know there's a delay, so you probably said that a while ago. What's up? Yeah, I think so. Sabrina, this is me testing your stuff. Fit. I can restart just fine. Ooh, I like that it does different enemy layouts. And I guess the best way to test the win is if... Alright, we'll get that bear to growl, dude. For sure. So I'm going to get him to growl when he's generated, and I'm going to get him to growl when he does a heavy attack. What do you think? Can you give that to me in list form, Chris? Gotta kill the bear. Get out the way. Alright. Well, okay, I understand there's sound for all those things in the folder, but yeah, if you can get it to me in a list. Okay, yes. Hit yes after you kill the bear and see if it crashes. Okay, so I'm here at the end of the bear kill, and I'm gonna hit yes. Bam! It just restarts the game, which is nice. Sounds good, man. All right, so I'm gonna work on the bear growling right now. I think I can do that pretty quickly. Uh, I like how like this is beeping, my phone is beeping, and like a whole bunch of other things are beeping when things are happening. Okay, so let's do the sounds of the bear. So we should have what, boss sounds? Nice. Oh, nice. All right, I like roar 2 for the generation, and then I'm gonna do like a random between roar 1 and roar 2 when the bear starts attacking. So let's see. Let's go to the main camera, audio manager, uh, attack sounds. That's just damage sounds. Okay. What if I add another list? All right, Discord. Sound effects that we need. Bear growl. Just have him ground literally whenever and however often you want, long as there's the important thing. Okay, so that's cool. Health pickup. Oh yeah, where's the health bot? Chris, if you hear me, where's the health supposed to be, man? All right, health pickup. There's one sound in the item. Use that one. Okay, cool. Picking up either of the axes. Cool. Alright, so generic sound, kind of fix that up. Let's make another list. Oh, you're not using list. I'm totally going to use list. List of audio clips. Okay, yeah, yeah, just like we did on Friday, I can do it like that. No problem. We'll say boss sounds. And what about item sounds? And what about weapon sounds? Maybe it's more of an attack sound, but maybe weapons might be better. Okay, so we got all those different sounds now. So hopefully this gets regenerated. More things happen. Alright, cool. So boss sounds, I'm going to make it 2. And there's 2 roars, right? So there's a roar 1 and a roar 2. Yep. And item sounds, we're going to just say there's 1 item sound, and I think it's just health. Or is it item? Item pickup, there we go. Oh, and Brina said something. Hey Ed, I have to go, but before you get off, just make sure lose was okay on your branch. Drain your health and then hit yes. Message me on Discord letting me know it's fine. Alright, sounds good, Brina. Will do. I might increase the speed of that health lowering by a lot. because it's kind of too slow for me to test stuff out right now. Okay, so what am I doing? Boss sounds, item sounds, and weapon sounds. Chris said there's something in metallic or something. What was it called? Discord. Chris Toops. Picking up the axe. An axe's metallic gore. Axe's metallic gore. Pick up axe. Duh. That was pretty self-explanatory. Pick up axe. Okay. So, alright. Now let me wire all this to actually play. So we say play boss sound, play item sound, play whatever sound, right? So this would be play what, boss sound? This could be play what kind of sound? Boss item sound and weapon sound, right? Play weapon sound. And now we just gotta say the right list. So that's generic sounds, that's fine. Boss sounds, there should be a boss boss sounds list. There should be an item sounds list, and then there should be a weapon sounds list. Okay, so that was good. That was pretty easy. And let's go ahead and wire them up. So okay, the boss sounds, right when the bear is generated. So let's go ahead and go. Oof, what does bear have that's specific to bear? So let's look at his prefab. Bear. Is he not in here? Maybe he's elsewhere. Bear, 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 bear. There's bear. Does he have any kind of like boss script or something? Oh, there's a boss script. Thank God. So okay, when boss scripts get started, I'm gonna go ahead and say audio manager dot instance dot play boss sounds. We'll say I like the second one better for this guy. Okay. And yeah. Okay, so base attack. Are we playing any sounds in here? Is there any audio up in here? No? Okay, cool. That's what I want to hear. I'm gonna just add a quick little line of just kind of garbage code, I guess. If game object dot name equals bear, we're gonna play if math f dot random or random dot get next, who knows, what am I trying to do, range, yeah, let's just do random value, get a number between 0 and 1, okay, cool, is greater than 0.5 audio manager dot play dot instance dot play boss sound is 0, else else you're gonna play 1. Okay, so half the times you'll play the first one, so half the time you'll play the second one. And I'll just do the same thing for the heavy attack. And so at least he's like growling during the attacks and when he's instantiated. Cool. I'm cool with that. What else do we need to do? Let's look at the list. That's why I asked for it. Bear growls, got it. Health pickup, sure. Understood. So I think Parker put that in player motor. So if you collide with item, we can go ahead and audio manager dot instance dot play item sound. I think there's only one, so that's good like that. If we're gonna pick up the weapon, I think that's gonna be here. I think we're gonna put in 2 places. There's, I think just Abe X is the one we want. If you pick up a musket or something, we're not too worried. Play weapon sound. I think there's only one of those too. Okay, I think that's it. So I think we have it all wired up. Let's just make sure we got it from Chris's point of view. Bear growl, yes. Health pickup, yes. Picking up axe, yes. And oh, let's go ahead and get the med pack spawning. I wish there was a way to make it a lot less. Because this is, if I just do it the way I have it here, terrain spawner, which is under game manager, I think. Oh, good. There's props, bosses. I'm going to go ahead and modify his script just a little. I'm going to go ahead and make a public list of game object items, and it's just going to contain the med pack. And for now, I'm going to go ahead and throw items in there. Okay, did items come up? Yep. And we're going to make it one sized. Sounds good, Chris. See you in a bit. I saw it. Health kit. Isn't there like a item 1 or something? Health kit? Is that what we named it? Health kit. Okay. Yeah, put health kit in here. Health kit. What are we gonna do? Health kit. Terrain spawner. All right. How does this generate objects? Okay. This makes a last position. There's a prop density. Item density. Spawn item. We'll call it item density. Items count. Items are get random position. Yep, sounds good. No rotation. And then we just gotta make sure this actually happens wherever we're doing the rest of the spawning. Spawn prop, spawn enemy, spawn item. Is that Sparkosoft.com supposed to be mirrored? It was just a coincidence that that got mirrored. Because my left monitor's here and my right monitor is there. So I had to mirror the image so that when I actually look at my left monitor, my face looks at the left monitor too. Otherwise, I'd be looking over there, and it causes me to be kind of... So, yes, it's supposed to be mirrored. Alright, here we go. I see a health pack. Awesome. Oh, the grunts. Nice. So we got that. We got the jumping. What else do we need? The roar, right? I feel like I did another one too. I love it. The bear got spawned. There he is. Oh, he didn't hit. Why isn't he roaring when he attacks? Because your name's not Bear, is it? Is that what's happening? It's like bear.clone or something. Yeah, okay. Oh, but you have a tag of boss. Sweet! Alright, so... Boss. No, on attack. Melee attack. Maybe not even melee attack. Maybe it's base attack. Base attack. Yes, if game object... Can I just say tag? What would I say? If tag equals boss, do that. If tag equals boss, do that. I wish the boss was a little sooner, but whatever. So many red pixels. Yeah. Here we go. Red pixels ready? Bam! I could play it a little bigger too. Maximize. Bam. Oh no. What happened there? What? Better go pick up an axe. Get over here. Maximize. Alright. Dun, dun. Those work. Bear's coming up. There he is. Uh-huh, nice. looking at it. This animation's too slow though for me. Alright, so what I do want to do is that rate of health decrease, that's going to go down big time right now. So player, let's see, where's the health script? This guy, health slider? No, health, just health. Don't you have a health script? Player health. So update health slider time. Minus equals time dot delta time. Update slide. Decrease the timer to know when to update. Okay. So when you reset it, what do you do? Increase damage threshold, decrease update HUD. I'm going to let Brina know I'm going to change her health script. Alright, I'm going to mess around with the health script some so that I can test losing a bit better. A bit quicker. Not better. Okay, so to do that, I'm going to... So we have a damage threshold, the current next hit to player is dead, execution performed, health slider. But the other thing I really want to test is health decrease rate. I guess that's what I really want. And for now we'll make it 1, but we'll of course change that. So where is my current health? So current health, when do we actually change that? Current health. So we change it here at the beginning to be 100, which I could probably be better just to do it here. You don't have to really do it here, because it's better to do it up here, because then you want to keep those two numbers together. I don't know if you really want to hide that in Inspector. You actually kind of want to have it in Inspector because you want other people to kind of play with those values. Okay. I think everything else is good. If you're not dead, you're going to update this health slide timer. Updates. So you're going to basically subtract time, that delta time. That's cool. I'm not looking at the increase of the health or the current temp, current health, or any of that. I'm not really worried about that. But let's look at, yes, this update HUD. So if current health is greater than damage threshold, yep. Uh, if update slider time is less than 0, and if not execution is performed. Okay. And you're setting this back. Okay. So that's going to be this decrease rate, right? So I'm going to just say health. I'm just going to put this at 1 as well. So that's the health decrease rate. I'm going to say this is public. I'll put that up here. I like to separate my publics and my private variables. Okay, so we got the health decrease rate. Slide timer. So, here we go. Oh gosh, I'm getting a Dika. Yeah, I'll take a look at it, Brina. I actually faced an issue with putting it on the option screen, resizing the screen, and then resuming, and it had a problem. So yeah, I'll keep playing with it. So, and sorry for taking the script apart a bit. It's not going to be that much. Uh, I'm trying to take out these hard coded numbers out of the script so that it kind of just matches whatever is up above. All right, don't delete all the script. That would be bad. All right, let's just say rate. There's some kind of rate, right? Health decrease rate. Cool. So yeah, the update slide timer is good for is the time. Yeah, let's call it timer. I think that would be better phrase for it. And this is the rate, so it decreases every 1 second by 1 health, right? So if I go get hurt, hey, come hurt me. I'm here. Okay, so I'm dead, basically. With that 1 hit, I'm dead. But that's not updating for some reason. Alright, so since I'm dead, what? Hmm. Oh, I know what happened. I have to actually make these 100. Oh, and I see. So this is my max health, my max, and my current health. Got it. I'm on board. Hey, come get me. Alright, so now I'm at 50. And I can see my current health is slowly decreasing, right? Now if I made my decrease rate 0.5, yes. Or if I made it 0.25, nice. Okay. So I'm gonna make it the inverse, right? So health decrease rate, decrease seconds per point, decrease seconds per health point. Something like that, right? So if you wanted to drop like 5, it'd be 0.2, right? So something like that. So that'd be 5 health points per second. Let's go. Ready. Let's test this out. Kill this guy. And that might even be too slow. Let's do 10. I'm gonna go grab the vampire axe. Yeah, I like that. That's good. That's a good rate. Alright, so now we can test the losing. I gotta stop killing people. Just let myself die. There we go. Hit yes. So that's working fine. Let's try the no. I think the no in the editor doesn't work. I'm not gonna get that health pack because I need to test it out. Okay. The no in the editor won't work, but the yes will. And then you're saying if I kind of just goof off a little bit and like, oh gosh. Need to grab an axe. Alright, so I'm walking around a bit. Then if I try to restart, yeah, it looks fine to me. I think the restarting is okay. Alright, so we got a good rate of health decrease, so we can test out the deaths pretty good. Yeah, let's go look at Chris's thing. I know he's telling me some other stuff. So where were we? Up here maybe? Oh, you know what I'm not hearing is the axe pickup sounds. Oh yeah, it's there. Alright. So, okay, and finally, enemy grunt. Go into grunts chokes, and there's grunt sounds from both me and you. Use whoever you want. Oh, and don't forget to lower the soundtrack volume so every sound effect can be heard. Yeah, it can be. Gonna be AFK for a little bit. Okay, gotcha. Alright, so let's do the sound effects of grunting. Oh, nice. It plays it at different points. Not really sure that I'm interested in that yet. If index equals 0, do that. Else, we're just going to do the other normal thing that we always do. Source clip dot play. No, source clip equals. I guess we'll make another list, right? Oh, you already have damage sounds. Alright, so we already have damage sounds. Damage sounds. Blump, 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 blump. Do we just say damage sounds index? And then source dot play. Source dot clip. Or do we just say play? Is that all we gotta do? I'm gonna just say play. Okay. Play damage sound. So let's go ahead and add like a damage sound. So it says it's an audio. Sound effects, grunts and chokes. Oh gosh, I'm scared. I know some of these are me. Yeah. Hey. I like some of these. Hey, that's too high. I like that one, I think. I think that matches kind of the look and the feel. Alright. Yeah, man. It's different. Alright, so we're gonna do this Chris one right here. So let's do this grunt. I'm gonna add that to the list of audio, not attack sounds, but like damage sounds. Let's go ahead and add a third. I think it was 8, yeah. So okay, number 2 is the one we're gonna use. Boom, 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 boom. Alright. So I'm gonna go ahead and say when a damage is an enemy, I'm gonna say tag enemy. Where's tag enemy? Damage. I'm gonna say, yep, right here. This is good. If to object that get component not even, right? I'm gonna say if tag equals enemy audio manager dot instance dot, what was it, play damage sound, and we'll say 2. Let's see if that works. Boom, boom, boom. Oh yeah, dude. The grunts. Man, sound really does add a lot to the game. let's see. I'm gonna maximize this a little bit. Yeah. Here we go. I gotta fix the animation. That's still driving me crazy. But I figured might as well get everything kind of in place. Gotta fix that. Alright, let me randomize the grunts. Maybe it'll be even funner. Let's add a few of them. Or a bunch of them. Let's add more grunts. I wish there's a way I can kind of like preview it. Oh, I can do it from here, I guess. Yeah, I don't need to open it though. So, mostly Chris grunts. Too crazy. I like that. I'm putting that one in. Alright, 3. And then I'll take one of these. No, just too different, I guess. I think that's good. What we got's good. Audio manager, let's just do 5 then. And so 2 to 4. Alright, let's yeah, make it a little different. So if player enemy dot tag random dot next random dot come on. Let's use Unity random dot range dot rotation seed value. Alright, let's just do new random dot yeah, I know. New system dot random dot next, and then you got some overloads. So we could say like 2 to 4, right? Awesome. And so now we can just choose a value between 2 and 4. So it should sound different when we hit them. Come on, someone come mess with me. There we go. Is it not including one of them? Feels like one of them's not being included. If I just put a dummy in here, will it work? Oh man, alright. Let's go to player. Or yeah, anything like that. Put a dummy right there. Do you still work? No, you're stunned, but you won't take damage. So if I gave you damage, if I went to scripts, gave you a damage script, So I feel like it's only doing 2 sounds. Which one am I missing? Maybe this one? Yeah, that. Let's see if we could do... Wait, who said what? Where? Um... Here we go. So that third sound is not coming up. I gotta fix this animation. Alright. Oh, that's a good way to test it. Just grab someone. That way. So that third sound's not playing for some reason, so that's probably this guy. Let's see. I guess it's not inclusive, that max value. So let's see what happens if I made you 5. It's gonna crash. Why do I feel like it's gonna crash? And let's check out Discord. Nope, missed. That's my favorite. Can't grab this guy. There we go. Oh, I'm dead. Alright. Alright, yeah, what's next? Yeah, the animations, but I'm gonna take a quick break, I think. I need it. Got sound effects, all that's seeming pretty good. Saving this. Let's go ahead and build and run it once more just to make sure everything's good. And then I'll commit it to dev directly. Not that we're going to do this on normal days, but on days like this where alpha's due the next day, totally need to just keep committing to dev. And hopefully just me, since I'm the one kind of making sure the build works too. Maybe get rid of some of that text above too. Yeah. Gotta polish the alpha a little bit more. Come on, vampire axe. Don't let me die. Alright, we better just check the bear sounds too, just to be at the end. Alright, so here we go. We're gonna go run. Run for it, Abe! Ooh, health pack. Ooh, more health pack. Don't get hit. Here we go. Ooh, health pack. Oh, I got hit. That was... Oh no, I got stuck on a rock. Alright. Here we go. Oh, let's get rid of that white box. Bam. Alright, cool. Thanks, Fiendry, man. It's the work of the entire class, man. So it's been pretty good. So what do we got to do next? Yeah, let's go. Go ahead and disable that box from the bear. So prefabs bear. I think he's under actor. Bear. This guy. We can get rid of him. The mesh render. We could probably leave that stuff on there. Okay. So I don't know if Maurice is on here viewing, but if he is, I wanted to ask him about like every character having their own audio source, so they kind of got to manage their own sounds. Um, and the only reason I just thought of this was because of the bear, right? Because he was supposed to growl when he's first generated, but I think I was probably like picking up a health pack or something else. So because he was picking up a health pack, um, the bear growl just got cut off immediately. So if everyone had their own audio source, it would actually sound like in the distance as well, and they can it'd play from where they're at, relative to the player, which I think would be good for like the sounds and which ear you hear it from and everything. So yeah. All right. Anything else? I think that's it. That's good for the build for now. Let me ask Maurice here. At Maurice, do you think post alpha we set up sound sources on each character? Is this game going to be playable by the public? Absolutely, dude. In fact, all the code and everything's going to be public. So the assets, the everything's on GitHub right now. So I think yeah, it's going to be playable and looked at by the public. You can see where our pitfalls were, where some of the stuff we did good were. Yeah, all of that's going to be good. Okay, anything else I gotta do? I think that's it for now. Let me start closing out some stuff and doing a commit. All that seems good, 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 good. Except maybe that. But you know what? I'm checking it all in. Screw it. Good, 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 good. Alright. Worked on some sounds. What did I really do? I didn't really change that much up here. The update's still the same. Maybe because I did the reformatting, it got kind of confused. Damage, yeah, playing sounds. Worked on some sounds, increased the health decrease rate, if that makes sense. And spawning med packs. Cool. Pushing that now. Whew. Alright, everybody. That's going to be it for me for the next probably hour or so. I'll be back and we'll be doing more of these, like fixing random bugs and getting all this stuff ready for alpha that we got to present tomorrow. Bye, guys. Am I still streaming? Yeah, sorry.